6 months ago, I was just a woman with a camera and a dream. Now I'm creating content, growing my community, and about to write an ebook so that I can help you too. Hi, I'm Darlene, and welcome to my channel, Beauty is What I Do 2.0, where I help midlife women elevate their beauty. We talk a little bit about fashion and help you create digital income online. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you what I've learned in these last 6 months on YouTube. What I've learned, what doesn't work, and then a little sneak preview of my ebook that will guide you step by step on your YouTube journey. And if you're over 40, 50, even 60, it does not matter. Girl, if you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, grab your notebook, grab your pen, because I'm spilling all the tea about everything that I have learned in this last 6 months. So if this is something that interests you, girl, you know we only got 3 quarters left in the year. If you're interested in getting your YouTube journey started, keep watching. So my journey actually started in 2020 during the pandemic. Girl, did we not all try to get online and pivot? Yes, I was like, I'm starting a YouTube channel. And it was, of course, all about beauty and makeup and things like that. But once the world opened up, girl, I forgot all about YouTube. I was ready to get out and start seeing my clients again. And then in between then and like 2004 or 2024, I started uploading a little bit here and there because I was still interested in it. It's just that I really didn't have time. I didn't want to just really dedicate all of the energy that it took into creating a YouTube video channel. And it was just other things were taking my focus, but I still wanted to maintain my channel some way, somehow. And then fast forward 2024, I had been feeling God to saying to me, start your YouTube channel, restart your YouTube channel. But I was thinking in my head, I was like, but I'm not the same girl back in 2020. Like, things have changed, life has changed. I want to talk about more than just makeup. I love makeup. That's going to always be like the main thing that I discuss, but it's going to be the umbrella. I'm going to say that. The umbrella, but there are things underneath that umbrella, girl, that I want to talk about, that who I am today at 55 years old, all the things that I'm going through, all the things I have gone through. And that's what got me to restart my channel again, which was October of 2024. So the real reason that I really started in October of 2024 was, like I said, I felt like God was just leading me to restart it again. And I had moved into a new town, a new community, and things just were not like they were before. And I was just like, okay, let me try this. There's got to be a way for me to still generate some income. And not only that, I was seeing other people do it. I didn't know, though, however, that there were so many women or just people my age on YouTube, and how this was a thing and that it was growing, in that aspect. I was like, oh my God, that I did not know. And I didn't discover that until I started making videos. But that's why I started, because I did not want, it was the last quarter of the year, and I didn't want the year to end without me doing what I felt God was telling me to do in my heart. So with every video, I honestly feel like I get better and better. And not that I'm striving for perfection, because I know it does not exist. But when I go back and look at my videos, I go, oh, okay, I could maybe stop, not say this so much, or, do this, or with my lighting or my backdrop, little things like that I see that I can improve upon and bringing a good quality type of video. But my biggest best friend, girl, has been ChatGPT. It does it all. I'm telling you, like, did I even start with ChatGPT? I don't know, because I was definitely into ChatGPT, but yeah, my my use of it got better. I'm going to say that it got better as I went along. And I was like, okay, this is where I need help. I need help in an outline. I need help in a script. I need help in like B-roll. I need help in images. And I would even take pictures and screenshots of my thumbnail and upload it to ChatGPT and say, tell me what you think about it. And then they say, oh, you need to move that letter over to the left. You need to make your face bigger. Like, it breaks. I'm like, we're having long conversations. But honestly, this AI is a game changer. No matter what you decide to use, it changed the game for me. And it has made my process very effortlessly. The hardest part is like talking to you sometimes, just, not wanting to always look down at my notes because I got notes here, and just trying to appear natural on camera. That's probably one of the hardest things, but ChatGPT has been a game changer for me, and it will be a game changer for you. So another thing I worried about that I no longer worry about is topics, things that I want to talk about. The only thing that now still concerns me is it relevant? Is it something that people are searching for? Because YouTube is a search engine, right? So now what I do to overcome that obstacle, I just do my research. I research on YouTube, I research on TikTok. I even take information because I also have a page on Instagram and I take my inspiration from there. But I will research and I will plug in how to do eyeliner, right? And then I will go through and filter out the top videos. And then I look at those videos and I see what was it about the video that people love so much. And then I just take a cue from them or from the person that created the video and I just put my little Darlene spin on it, because you got to put you into it. You can't just copy and paste. Does not work like that. People are attracted to you. And I have found out really, really in my comments and in my community that people connect to me. They connect to someone my age. They connect to how I communicate. They connect to, I try to be funny or whatever it is, they connect to that. So I want to encourage you, do your research, but then be authentically you. So another thing that I've learned and that I've learned how to leverage is still my Instagram page. I still love my Instagram. I still keep up with it because that's where I talk about digital products, digital marketing, how to create products and make money in that aspect. So what I do now is on the days that I record, right, when I'm all glammed up, I take that opportunity to make smaller short form videos for Instagram, number one. And then the other thing I do is I'll take maybe even small segments of this video and I will rotate that on Instagram and I'll rotate that in my stories, or I'll create a, a carousel out of it. I use all of the information because let me tell you something. The good thing about long form video, which is what we do here on YouTube, because you have this script and you have this layout, you now have tons of content. You have tons of content, you have tons of strategy, you have tons of ideas because you can break this outline up and create smaller, short video content scripts or shorter videos. That is what I love so much about YouTube, is that I don't have to stress really about, oh my God, what am I going to talk about? What am I going to talk about on Instagram? Baby, it all ties in. And now that I am sharing and I know that this process is working for me, because I'm not over here for free. I'm not over here because I'm bored. You do know that, right? I love sharing what I know, right? Because that's the beauty of being in midlife. We know some things and we're sharing some things. But girl, we also trying to get the bag. And so I am sharing now on Instagram what I have learned, what I am doing, how it can work for other people. Because just like how I was searching, There are other people out there searching, and specifically, there are other women out there mid-age, just like me, who's trying to figure out what in the world can I do? Do I need to go get a second job, right? Or if they're tired of their current job, no, boo, you do not have to do that. YouTube is where it's at, and I am excited to share it with the masses. So that's how I leverage Instagram now with my YouTube. So talking about the bag, girl, I have received thus far 4 YouTube payments. And this 4th one has blown me, my husband. I mean, it has blown us out the water. We're like, what? Like what? And it honestly, it goes back. It goes back to learning from every YouTube video that you create, because your desire is to get better and better, not to get perfect, but to get better. And I believe as a result of it, because I am listening to my community, I'm asking questions. What is it that you want to hear? What is it that you want to learn? And I'm giving that. And when you do that, you get more views. And it just, y'all, it just works together like magic. Do you hear me? It is fantastic. Another thing that I have also been fortunate to also do is to learn to be an affiliate marketer, or to use my affiliate links for different products that resonate with me, that resonate with my audience, that resonates with my brand, right? Because I have gotten offers to do several things, and I would just have to email them back and say, I'm sorry, that does not align with my brand. It doesn't align with my community. Like, no, I'm not showing how to clean my roof. You know what I'm saying? They don't, my community not concerned about the roof right now. Like, some things you literally have to turn down, or just things that you just is like, nah, I'm gonna pass on that. But the affiliates, girl, that's one way. And then, as you know, the ads that run, thank God for the ads, so that part, I have seen a 300% increase in my earnings just with ads. Like, it is simply amazing. So with the affiliate links, I've had increase in the last 28 days over last month. And then when it comes to my earnings, I've had a 170% increase in the last 28 days over what I did last month. So it is just really a wonderful, wonderful platform. I would advise anyone that if you are ready to start your online journey, your online business, YouTube is where it's at. Because if you've got a passion, if you've got a skill, people want to know about it. Don't think that there's other people out here already doing it. Listen, the fact that you know it, somebody else does not know it. And they will listen and they will pay to know what you know, right? The only difference is that you're doing the research. You're doing the legwork for them, or you've already done the legwork. You've already got the education. You've already got the skill. You've already put in the time. And so people who want to know, they don't have time to go do that, or they, for whatever reason, and say they are willing to listen to someone else who is an expert in that area. Okay, so why am I creating this ebook? Y'all, because I remember what it felt like when I was just getting into this online, making money online space. I just remember I didn't know who to believe. I didn't know what strategy to take. I didn't know what platform to start on. I didn't want to waste any money. There were certain ones that I did want, but maybe it was just a little bit too much. There was just so many things, right, that went into just being very uncertain about this. And I know how that felt, and I know how it still feels. There are still certain things I am still learning, I am still managing, I am still trying to elevate myself with. And I'm just going to just say there has been one particular YouTuber that I follow, or podcast that I follow, and it's called Think Media Podcast. Like, when I tell you I can binge watch all day long, because the wealth of knowledge that they give about how to grow your YouTube channel has just been phenomenal. It's been phenomenal. And I just want to share that with women. I want it to be, honestly, you could go on too and you could look at all the videos. I want to put into an ebook all the information that I have acquired so that it's simple for you. And I know how I wanted it to be simple for me. If I didn't have to watch a bunch of videos, I wouldn't, but I'm still learning, and I want to put together what has worked for me in these last 6 months. The fact that I was able to get monetized in like 60 days, like, that was just such a blessing. Like, I had no really expectation. I just knew that I was in it for the long haul. And I just want to share everything that I've learned in these last 60 days, because it has really, really been a wonderful ride. And it has been by the grace of God that I am where I am right now. And I want to share it with the masses. And then the way I learn, I'm sure, is different from the way others learn, or I'm thinking maybe the way I learn could be very similar to the way other midlifers learn. Like, I need step by step. I'm like, hold my hand, tell me which button, which button to push next. Right? So that's how I want my ebook to be. I want it to be a really good step by step process for you, or for anyone that decides to invest in this ebook. I want it to be easy. I want it to be perfect for adult learning, especially the midlife adult. Okay? So that's another reason why I'm creating this ebook. So the type of things that I will be discussing in my ebook is, number one, mindset. Like, where's your mind with all of this? Why are you really, really wanting to do this? And then I'm going to go through how to set up your branding, your banner, ideas for your brand. I'm going to talk about the different steps that I take in my research, different apps that I use, different ways that I design my YouTube logos and how to make those stand out. How I use ChatGPT to help me create an outline and a script for my videos. How I create a few digital products for certain videos. How I plan out for the whole year so that I'm not stuck in trying to figure out ideas as well. How I set up my area for videos. It's going to be packed, but it's going to be simple, because it's going to be a step-by-step process. So girl, if you're in your 40s, your 50s, your 60s, I just want to encourage you. If this is something that God has placed on your heart, you can certainly do this. It is not too late. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to start. And it doesn't take a whole lot to get started. I am now your YouTube bestie, girl. I'm going to get you right together. So if you've been wanting to start a YouTube channel as well, comment waitlist so that I know that you are interested. And if you have been hesitant, let me know in the chat, what has been holding you back? What is your greatest fear? Let's talk about it. Let's share. And if you are new here, welcome. If you've been watching for a while, girl, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And for some of my day ones, thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you. I appreciate you just giving your time and to watching my videos. I so appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.